How to add or remove sleeping apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on device care. In here, tap on battery. Then tap on background usage limits. After that, tap on sleeping apps. Now in here, it says sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. Updates and notifications may be delayed. Now tap on the add button to open up a list of apps. In here, select the apps that you want to add. Then tap on the add button. So all these apps has been added to sleeping apps. To remove it, tap on the more button at the top. Then tap on remove. Once you are in a selection mode, select the apps that you want to remove. Then tap on the remove button. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.